Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up shipping rules in Shopify. In order to do that, you click on the settings, go to shipping and delivery. There you will see the option to general shipping rates. Click on this arrow. So this page will open up and scroll down, and when you see the shipping zone, there you see we will add the shipping rules in here according to the zone. So we have two shipping zones where one is domestic and other one is international. It depends upon how many zones you want to create. You can create other zones and include the countries that you want. Let's say it's Mexico. You can select it and you can make a new zone if you want to set up the shipping for those particular countries. So I am going to set up the domestic shipping here. So I'm going to click on add rate. So there are two options for the rate type. One is the flat rate and other one is the carrier or app to calculate the rate. So flat rate is something that you can set up manually and you can add your conditions based on weight and pricing. And as for the carrier application calculated rate, if you are using a carrier, let's say USPS or UPS or any other carrier you're using in the backend, or any application that you use to calculate the shipping, that has to be under this option. So you select this one and you will see the option for different shipping services the carrier is providing. And as for the flat rate, when you click on it and the shipping rate type is custom, you can add the name, and this will be visible on the front end when a customer is checking out. So they'll see something like this. So I'm going to add, let's say, shipping on the basis of weight. So it's going to start from 0 to, let's say, 30 kg. I'm going to charge 400 rupees here. So when I click on it, there you go. I've added my first standard shipping rate for the domestic zone, and you can keep on adding if you have the different rates. Let's say economy shipping, and you can add your, let's say, from 30 kg to maximum up to whichever the weight is. Click on it and there you go. So for the orders which weighs more than 30 kg, they are going to be charged $600 automatically, and if the weight is less than 30 kg, between 0 to 30 kg, then it's going to charge 400. And you can do the same for the international zone as well. So you have the carrier calculated rates here. I've selected this option and you can check the rates that you want to show based on the packages and the delivery you provide. Add it and done. So people who are in this international zone, they will see this carrier calculated rate, and those who are in the domestic zone, they'll see the rates based on the order weight. And you can add the conditional pricing based on the price as well. If an order is like minimum to maximum, let's say it's worth rupees 600, 0 to 600, then it's gonna be something you can custom or any label that you want to show. So you can add the condition here. So you're gonna charge, let's say, 200 for those. That's all. That's how you set up the rates based on the weight and price and the carrier. Thank you and save.